Who will give you money for 1 hour, 250 rupees just doing your household works? No one gives you money. But here, you are earning money from your hardness, like hard work. The cam says like hands are not detected all the time. If it's not detecting the hands, frankly speaking, it's a little bit irritating sometimes because it's keep on shouting, and your both ears are here and your phone is here.
For per day, 90 plus videos are taken. Yeah. The next day we will change the background. Today I sit here and I can face this position, means tomorrow I can stand here. The next day I can stand here. So each and every angle will be noted, each and every actions will be changed based upon the objects.
I see future full of robotics and AI, but still human existence need to be there because we give like without human data and all, those can't run.